So it's caught. So today I'm going to be doing a no glue slime recipes. I'm actually going to do two, but I'm going to try to do three. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So right now it is 10:46 p.m. As you can see, 10:46. So we're going to get to the first video, but do not forget to hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel and turn that bell on. No further ado, let's get to the video. Okay, so what you would need for the first ingredient is a bowl and some water, just a little water, and some cheese and a mixing tool, okay? So if you have already added your water, you will want to add your cheese. So I have added my cheese to my water, as you can see. So what you will want to do is put it up in the microwave, okay? So you'll want to put it in the microwave for 1, 2, 3, start. So I will come back to you when this is microwave. So I have stopped it at 47 because it started making noise. So this is how it looks as it has came out of the microwave. Water is still in there. So I'm going to stir it up. So I'm going to put it in there for a little bit more. So 47 goes back. Start. So I have stopped it at 41 now. So that is how it looks now. So I'm going to mix it now. Okay, so this is how it looks right now. So I'm going to show you how it looks. So okay, so I'm going to take it out the bowl. So this is how it is. It's real slimy. So this is the first line. So the first line is a success. So we're going to go to the next video. So let's get to the video. The next ingredient you will need is a bowl, a mixing tool, some shampoo. I'm using Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo, and you will also need salt. I'm using Morton salt. So let's get to the. So what you will want to do first is add your shampoo. Okay, so next you will want to add your salt. So I'm going to show you as I add my salt. So you want to add pinches of salt. So I have put this much up in there in my hand. So you want to do a pinch, sprinkle, then stir. A pinch. So we're just going to go in and add the rest on there. So then you'll want to stir it. You want to stir it till it turns white. I'm going to add a little bit more salt. So you don't want to add too much salt because that will make it liquidy. So this is how it should look. It has turned white. So I'm going to put this in the freezer. So let me get my timer. So you want to put your timer on 10 minutes. So I'm going to put it up in the freezer and start. So I will come back to you when the timer is, or when I stop the timer. So I have stopped the timer on 5 minutes. So I'm going to stop it. Okay. So I have took the bottom out of the freezer. This is the step. So let me show you that. So this is the sun. So let me see if it sticks. It doesn't stick with a finger. So I really think this is successful though. I do recommend y'all try this. Alright, so look at this.